Shemai, Sharon Lovell dwi, a Wythnos Gwaith Ieuenctid hapus. I'm Sharon Lovell and happy Youth Work Week. I'm delighted to be able to share this message with you as the newly recruited chair of the Youth Work Strategy Implementation Board. I do hope you've all had a fantastic Youth Work Week celebrating everything that we offer young people here in Wales through the excellent work of youth work. My role as the newly appointed chair is to make progress on the recommendations of the Interim Youth Work Board's final report, Time to Deliver, for young people in Wales. We have worked really hard as a sector to get to this stage, and I look forward to continuing to work collaboratively and in partnership with you all. We must have to ensure now that there is a sustainable model for youth work in Wales for young people and future generations. I wanted to take this opportunity to share with you the priorities of the board as we go forward. We will be considering the legislative framework for youth work and how it can be strengthened to ensure all young people are able to access their rights and entitlements. We will also be undertaking a review of all the funding available for youth work services and how the funding is spent across the sector to understand how it may be better used to help ensure equality of access to youth work opportunities. The new board will also be considering the leadership of the sector and how it can be strengthened, both through consideration of a role and remit a national body could have, and how the workforce could be supported to develop the skills needed to drive forward excellence in youth work. And of course, we must ensure this approach is youth-led, and we will be looking to ensure that we have a young people's led governance approach so that young people are part of decision-making processes. The appointment of board members is underway, and the Minister is seeking to appoint a diverse board with knowledge and experience from right across the sector and from all backgrounds, so we are able to ensure we have the expertise on how best to take forward our plans to support and ensure all young people in Wales thrive. I look forward to working with you on our next journey. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much.